Hi, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be attempting to do part 2 of The Office. This is a job. I don't even know what I'm going to work on today, and the baby's already been sleeping for an hour and a half, so I don't know how much time I have. I do need to get some of this crap out of here. Okay, here we go. Okay, so that's all that's left here is stuff that I don't know where to put because it's not mine, and my aesthetics table, which I cannot carry downstairs by myself for safety reasons. All of this. I've been using quite a lot of stuff, and everything is just kind of all over the place. Eventually, once this room is actually sorted out, one of the plans I have is that this space right here will be like my nail table. I had a good system going on in this cupboard, and now I have to redo that system. Let's get started. Okay, so it is a new day. Right now, I'm gonna just try to clear all of this this corner out. See if we can get some more space there. Let's do this. A lot of CDs are in this thing, but I think all of the loose CDs I'm actually going to put in here. These are computer games, so those will go with the desk stuff. Okay, so that is what we're left with. My CDs are all in the bottom there. His are in his case. Actually, that fit perfectly in there, so that eliminated one more thing. So I now have access to this. I need to get an extension cord for my LED lamp. That cupboard is his stuff, where it's going to be. And this cupboard is all of my nail stuff, as you saw earlier. Poof! Chair. So this is my chair. This is going to be my chair. I've decided this. We now have another buildup of stuff here that needs to go downstairs. I've got these to go through. Should I do that? Whoa! It's definitely not a filming light. Okay, well, that feels good. Holy crap. So I think that's gonna have to do it for this one. My hopes for the next video will be that we will have all the stuff behind that cleared out. That is all this crap. And then also start working on the desk area. But give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and subscribe if you feel so inclined, and we will see you in the next one.